In a world where creativity meets artificial intelligence, graphic designers now have access to a range of incredible AI-powered tools that push the boundaries of what's possible. So here in this video, we will look at the best 4 AI graphic design tools that are changing the industry and allowing artists to make beautiful visuals faster and more accurately than ever before. Make sure to subscribe to our channel first and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get started. Number 4. Autodraw. Even if you're not very good with your hands, you can still be creative with the help of an AI-powered writing tool. Autodraw has a large library of more than 100 drawings, so it can correctly guess the image you want. Start with a rough sketch, and Autodraw's algorithm will do the rest, giving you a set of pictures that are similar or match. From there, it's easy to choose artwork and change it by adding text, changing colors, adding shapes, and more. This graphic drawing tool works well in any browser and can be used with styluses, touchscreens, and mice. Number 3. Simplified. This powerful platform is a game changer for marketers and business owners because it has AI features that can be used with just one click and save both time and money. With its easy-to-use background remover, magic resizer, and ability to make an endless number of brand kits, it has never been easier to make stunning graphics. And if you do video marketing, Simplified makes it easy to edit and record reels, YouTube shorts, and videos in just minutes. Number 2. Wizard. Wizard is the tool that artists, both new and old, use most often. It streamlines the planning process and makes it easy for teams to work together. This powerful AI-based UI design tool lets users make prototypes, mobile apps, websites, wireframes, and mock-ups in just minutes. Wizard stands out because it has a unique feature that makes it easy to turn hand-drawn ideas into wireframes and prototypes. Even people who aren't designers can use Wizard's platform, which is powered by AI. All they have to do is share a screenshot, and it will be turned into an editable design. The AI assistant comes up with new UX design ideas in an instant, so users can design like pros. Number 1. Designs AI. Designs AI is the best AI tool for graphic design that can do everything. This powerful AI tool can make logos, mock-ups, banners, movies, and more in just 2 minutes. With Designs AI, you can easily make a logo with its AI Logo Creator, which has over 10,000 icons to choose from. Also, the Video Maker tool lets you turn posts, text scripts, and articles into videos that have been properly edited. The platform also has a speech maker that turns text plots into voiceovers in multiple languages, and a copywriter tool that helps you make interesting marketing copy to boost sales and engagement. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to follow us for more updates. Thank you.